Pete here, Millionaire Mansions for sale. Looking at 593 Rosehill Drive in Narvon. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath house. It's in great shape with architectural shingles, dual level deck, and a fenced-in yard. It's a corner property. Nice thing about this place is it's pretty peaceful here. You have farm fields to the left, and you also have farm fields behind you. So I wouldn't expect any more neighbors anytime soon. There's a nice newly paved driveway. Easily you can park 5 to 7 cars or more if you're stacking them, and you have a 2-car garage. Let's go check it out. Right, coming up the steps, you're going to notice that carpeting's new, fresh paint, some new fixtures, lots of nice upgrades. So this is your master suite. You of course have your own master bath. His and hers closet. And the master suite does have the 2nd-tier deck attached. So if you like to come outside, it's a nice place to relax. Gives you a nice peaceful view. And you have your 2nd bathroom. And 3 other bedrooms. This current bedroom, LPV flooring, has been used as an office. So if you do need an office, yes, you have that option. You have your closets as well. Second bedroom here, which has a nice large walk-in closet. And your 3rd bedroom. You do have a block foundation basement, which is dry, gives you plenty of room for storage. And of course, the home is built in 1996, so the electrical system's pretty new. Okay, coming into the 3rd floor, you'll notice the stairs right up, brand new carpeting. Coat closet. New carpets in the living room. Separate dining room. Your kitchen with a great room combined. And you do have your 1st floor powder room, of course. LVP flooring. checking out the backyard. You have a nice wraparound two-tier deck. So the deck does give you a lot of possibilities. And your second tier, which we'll check out in a moment. And then your views. So here you can see the place has been landscaped very nicely, and the property's been taken care of very well, and this is a great neighborhood. You can see architectural shingles. Just a really nice place to live. And let's go check out the backyard. So when this gives you a view from the side, you can see it's a gently sloping yard. It is usable, and you got a two-tier deck. It's a pretty nice neighborhood. Right, nice thing about the outside of the house is you have a multi-tier deck, which I'll show you in a moment. The yard is already fenced in, so if you have pets or other smaller animals, it's nice. They have nice mature trees to help with privacy. Even though you're on a nice corner lot, you can see that you can't expect to have any noise from the neighbors because we have farm fields in the front and at the back of the house, which I'm going to show you in a moment. So you have just under an acre of property, and I would say it's big enough for most families. Definitely pretty peaceful here. Nice tree line at the back, and then there's cornfields behind us. I'm going to try to post some of the aerials that I took with the drone. Shed is included, and like I said, you have a multi-tier deck. Thanks for checking out 593 Rosehill Drive in Narvon. It's Pete at Springer Realty Group. We do have an open house. Give me a call at 610-209-9219. That's 610-209-9219. I look forward to hearing from you soon.